Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, just playing just to show you some things that you could do. I love to play, and I'm going to start with a four-sided polygon that I discovered years ago that makes a diamond. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, make it a little bit wider. Hit P, put it in the center of the page. And then I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate. I don't have to rotate it from the center because it's in the center. I'm going to rotate it 10 degrees. And then I'm going to take this part and fill it in with the Smart Fill tool and just nudge it over one time. So if you remember how many times you nudged it, it's good. If you don't, I would change my nudge factor. So then I'm going to Control D, alternate C, and I'm going to rotate it at 10 degrees. You know what? I'm going to do 3 of them this time. So they'll all 3 be a little bit different. So we're going to take this shape, get the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to go across and I'm going to put blue in both ends and put a white in the middle, like down here. Then put blue on both sides of it, so it just gives it a kind of like, I call it a bending metal glow to it. And then grab this one and do the same thing. Put blue on both ends. But this time we're going to pick that white a little bit higher. And then put the blue on both sides. Try to get them about the same. The attribute eyedropper wouldn't really help you in this case. I put white there, I'm going to put blue. And then do the last one. Hit the interactive fill tool. Put blue in both ends, which basically is just blue all over. Then we're going to put white up in like here and put blue on both sides of it. Now we rotated it 10 degrees, but we have 3 of them now, so we're going to rotate it 30 degrees. So I'm going to select all this, Control G, Control D to duplicate it, alternate C, have it rotate from the center, and rotate it 30 degrees. And look what we get. I don't know if it's cooler than this one. Now our lines are blue, so or kind of in between there, you can see them. But if you make your lines blue, it'll disappear. Kind of unique pattern. I wish I would have made this one a little bit more of a curvature. And I don't know that you'd ever draw something like this, but it's good practice. Learn a few tools. Anyway, just playing. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.